Yeah, let us see what was the question given here. What it is given here, if you consider a set, what is the set A? It contains 1, 2, and the set 3, 4, and the 5. These are the elements of the set A. Which of the following are correct? They are asking. So try to look into the question carefully. A is nothing but what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, right? So I already said in the definition here, what are the elements we are having? Here 1 is an element of A, 2 is an element of A, this 3, comma 4 is an element of A, 5 is an element of A. If you take an element, obviously what I'll do, I'll represent this 1 is an element of A, 2 is also is an element of what? A alone. So here you can ask me 3, comma 4 is a set, but actually this is what? This is an element of A. So I can say that 3, comma 4 is an element of A and 5 is an element of A. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So if you take what is one way power set? Power set is nothing but the set of all subsets of the set, right? So the one is an element of A. The subset will be what? If I take one set, this is what? This is the subset of its power set. Are you getting my point here? Yes. Any doubts up to here? I think okay, fine. For now, let us see. This is a subset of what? Subset of set A. Is it okay? If you take a set, it will be a subset. I can take what? 2 is also what? Subset of A. And if you want to take the middle element, that is what? Flower bracket. This is 3, comma 4 is the element of A. If you take again the flower bracket, which is nothing but a set, which is subset of A. These are the things I can let you know. So with the help of this knowledge, now let us see which is true, which is false. First one, we know that 3 and 4 are what? 3 and 4 are the elements of A. I already said no, because inside A 3 and 4 are there, right? Which means that it is represented with the set only, but inside A it is there, right? Obviously, what I can say, this statement is not correct. What I need to take? Obviously, 3, comma 4 will be what? This is an element of A. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So from this, what I can say? I can say this. This is correct. We need to follow, we need to check which are correct or which are wrong. So first one is wrong, second one is correct. Are you getting my point here? Yeah. If you come to the third bit, we know that 3 comma 4 is an element. We know that if you want to check the subset, subset means what? We need to take a one more flower bracket, right? So from this I already given here. So 3 comma 4, the subset or the set of set 3 comma 4 is nothing but subset of A. Are you getting my point here? Any doubts in this case? This is directly true. So and also what we can say that one is inside A. Obviously it is an element of A. That is what we have seen here, right? What about 1? Can you take 1 is a subset of A? No, it is not correct. If you want to take it as a subset means I need to take a set 1 is what is a subset of A. You can take a proper set or you can take a subset. Anything will work here. This is correct, but this is not correct. Are you getting my point here? Let us check about the F. What is F? 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 are what? Elements. This is represented by a set here. So what we can say? Obviously, this is a subset of A. Are you getting my point here? Because it is taken in the set. Is it okay? Yeah. So now let us move on to the next case, which is G here. What it is given 1, 2, 5 is an element of A? No. Element will be what? Element means either I can take 1 or either I can take 2. Is it okay? Are you getting my point here? So from this, what I can say, this is not correct. What it will be? It will be, answer will be 1, 2, 5. This should be a subset of A. Proper subset or subset. You can take this one or you can use a symbol 1, 2, 5 is subset of A. Anything will work. Is it okay? Yeah. So come to the seventh H bit. What did they are given? 1, 2, 3. Obviously you can say. Any doubts in this? 1, 2, 3. You can say that, ma'am, you have taken 1, 2, 5, which is subset of A. So if I take 1, 2, 3, obviously it is subset of A. You can ask me, but I can say that this is wrong. Why? Why? Because if you look at the elements in A, 1 is one element, 2 is one element, 5 is one element, and the set 3 comma 4 is an element. So, but in our case, what you are doing, you are taking a 3 element which is taken separately. Obviously, that this does not belongs to in this set. Are you getting my point? So 3 does not belongs to in this set. Is it okay? Why? Because this is a okay. 1 second. 3 belongs to in this set. Agree? Any doubts in this? But what I can say that I can say that 3 is not in set A, but 3 will be there here, but 3 is not in A. Okay. So this is not get evaluated separately. Are you getting my point here? Yeah. So what they're telling empty set. Empty set is an element. If you see here elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only these are the elements. But what they're telling that empty set is an element here. So from this what I can say, obviously this is not correct. Is it okay? Then what is correct here? Empty set is what? The subset of each and every set. So I need to take a subset. Is it okay? So that is what they given here. So without any doubt, I can say empty set. This is phi is subset of A. Is it okay? So and also what I can say, is it correct? No, it is not correct. Why? Because empty set that is phi is subset of A. Is it okay? If you write this one, this is obviously wrong. Why? Why? Because we know that phi is a subset of every set. Phi is subset of every set. We already know. Okay. So from this, obviously, phi is not an element of A. So this is not a subset of A. So I can say that phi is what? Phi should be a subset of A. Any doubts in this? So what they have given? They have given whatever they have given is wrong. Is it okay? Any doubts up to here? I think I have done most of the problems here. I think the most of the people will be having doubt in this concept. In my point of view, I have cleared everything. If you have further any doubts, you just let me know. I'll be solving for your sake. Okay. Okay then. Thank you. All the best.